Hello everyone, welcome to this session powered by Akash. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to fill NEET UG 2019 application form. Students, you are aware that recently NTA has released NEET UG 2019 forms and the starting date was 1st November 2018. So you can see here, I have my desktop. We can start with any web browser. In this browser, we should search for NTA website. You can see here National Testing Agency website is www.nta.ac.in. On this website, we have this home page and it's very easy to find the link for NEET UG 2019 application form. It's there, you can see fill application form, NEET UG 2019, CMAT 2019, GPAT 2019. We have to fill NEET UG 2019 application form. I clicked on this link and it redirected me to nta.neet.nic.in. This is the home page of nta.neet.nic.in. And on the left hand side, you can see we have buttons in the current event section: new registration, candidate login, forgot registration number, information bulletin, frequently asked questions of NEET UG 2019. So students, I will suggest you should definitely go through information bulletin as well as frequently asked questions of NEET UG 2019 before filling up this form. So let's click on this link. When I click on this link, this is the information bulletin we have, which is information bulletin for NEET National Eligibility Entrance Test UG 2019, and it is released by National Testing Agency. Now, this is an important page which you should remember. I'm zooming in to make you clearly visible these instructions. These are important information and dates at a glance. First of all, the first point is online submission of application form, including uploading of photograph and signature. This is from 1st November 2018 to 30th November 2018. Date of successful final transaction of fees, it is from 1st November 2018 to 1st December 2018. You can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking or through e-challan in the designated banks, and you can pay till 1st December 2018. What is the fee payable? The unreserved categories or general categories, it is 1400 only. If I talk about OBC, the fees is 1400 only. For SC, ST, PWD or transgenders, it is 750 rupees only. Some additional service charges and processing fees which should be paid along with these fees. Students, if you think you have filled something incorrect in your form, you have an option for the correction in the particulars of application form on the website, and that is NTA website or NEET website. It will open on 14th of January 2019 and it will end on the 31st January 2019. You can print admit cards from NTA website on or after 15th of April 2019. The date of examination, this is very important date students, it is 5th of May 2019. If I talk about the timing of examination, we have only single timing for examination, which is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and examination center will be indicated on the admit card. The date on which the answer keys and recorded responses will be available for challenges will be displayed on NTA website, and result will be declared by, that is on or before 5th of June 2019. We can see here there are other instructions given. This year you can fill the application form on online mode only, and that form will be available at www.nta.ac.in or www.nta.neet.nic.in. Now there are 4 simple steps given for the filling of application, and these are the steps. Step 1, fill the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Candidate's photograph should be in between 10 KB to 200 KB and the candidate signature should be from 4 KB to 30 KB, and this should be in JPG or JPEG format. Students, before filling off the form, you should be ready with this. That means you should have scanned photograph as well as signature in the prescribed range of the file size. And you should have the credit card, debit card or net banking details available with you before filling up the form. After filling or submission of the form, print at least 4 copies of confirmation pages. This is the stepwise process. Now in this information bulletin, you should carefully go through all the points mentioned. I am just picking up the important ones. First of all, the eligibility criteria. From here you need the eligibility code. Let's quickly go to that page. So here you can see this is the page where qualification codes are given, code 1, 2. There are total 7 codes. You can select the codes according to your qualification. The most important codes are code 1 and code 2. Code 1 is for 12th appearing students and code 2 is for pass out students. Also, you should go through the syllabus of the examination and the pattern. This year there is no major change in the syllabus as well as the pattern of the examination. Now you should also go through appendix 5 and appendix 6 for the list of state codes and list of codes of occupation and qualification and income. After that you should also go to list codes of schools education board of class 12th. So we should quickly go through page numbers 92, 93, 94 and 95. So these are the list of state codes of NEET UG 2019. You can see here it starts with Jammu and Kashmir having code 01. Similarly, different codes are given to different states. Now this is the occupation code here. You can see father, mother occupation code. You should carefully write the occupation code as well as the income code for your father and mother separately. After that, this is the qualification code of father and mother, and you should write these qualification codes. Similarly, we have the board codes here. For example, we have CBSE code as 04. So these were the important points related to NEET UG 2019 prospectus. Now we are going to fill the form.